Well, it's time for another update video on this robot battle thing. As you can see, we got quite a mess here working tonight. Here's Tommy's robot. What are you doing to this, Tommy?
Trying to put some sort of weapon on it. Probably be something out here that kind of, moves in this fashion. And some other kind of linkage between here and here that this will pull on, pushing that out. Bracket to mount these door lock actuators right now. So it'll be kind of like this or something. And don't know how I'm going to control them or any of that right now. I'm not really sure what this weapon thing is going to look like when I'm done.
And these are 12-volt car door actuators for the car door locks. And we got these off of Amazon. How much were these, Kilo?
I think it was around $15 for 4 of them.
Yeah, pretty cheap. They're relatively strong. They got about an inch of throw. Walk on over here, and Kilo's had kind of a radical redesign on his bot. Explain to us what you've done here and why.
Well, I had to start all over. My other bot just got too heavy from all the metal, so I've got this printer tray here that I've decided to use as a little bit of a wedge, and then it's got this little flipping action. So I'm trying to figure out where to mount this actuator to pull my cable, and then that actuator is going to be remote controlled with this device here, and it's all going to be running off of a 9.6 volt battery. This was what I was originally going to run my motors off of, but I burned up too many motors because it was just too much juice, so I decided to use that for my weapon instead.
Yeah, we have learned that the motors in these little thunder tumblers can only run off about 7.2 volts at maximum, or it just burns the brushes right out of them.
Yeah, I got a lot of magic smoke out of 10 volts.
And where did you get that remote there? Was that also
that was also Amazon. I believe this one with the receiver was maybe $11.
We also learned that the smaller the wheel you go, the more it gears it down and the more power you're getting. And that's very efficient with these small robots that don't have a lot of power in the motors, to go with a smaller wheel on the drive system. Alright, so here we have Kilo's bot with the actuator attached. Explain what's going on here, Kilo.
So right now we've got this remote control that reads into this receiver, and then this receiver kicks this relay, and then this relay, of course, activates the flipper. It'll throw some weight around.